Identify the type of noun. Nitin was given a harsh punishment. Here, the noun punishment is A. Collective noun, B. Proper noun, C. Common noun, or D. Abstract noun. The correct answer is option D. Abstract noun. Identify the type of noun. Diamond is the hardest substance. Here the noun diamond is A. Proper noun, B. Collective noun, C. Material noun, D. Abstract noun. And the right answer is option C. Material noun. Write the plural for the given noun. Deer. A. Deers, B. Deeress, C. Deer, D. Deeries. And the correct answer is option C. Deer, D-E-E-R. Write the plural for the given noun. Child. A. Childs, B. Children, C. Childs, D. Children's. And the correct option is option B. Children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Write the masculine gender for the given noun. Goose. A. Vixen, B. Sow, C. Drake, D. Gander. And the correct answer is option D. Gander, G-A-N-D-E-R. Fill in the blank. The mother dog has a dash of puppies. A. Flock, B. Shoal, C. Herd, D. Litter. The correct answer is option D. Litter. The mother dog has a litter of puppies. Choose the correct plural for the given noun. Atlas. A. Atlas, B. Atlases, C. Atlas, D. Atlays. And the correct answer is option B. Atlases, A-T-L-A-S-E-S. Choose the feminine gender for the given noun. Wizard. A. Wizardess, B. Witch, C. Magician, D. Wizlady. And the correct option is option B. Witch, W-I-T-C-H. Choose the feminine gender of the given noun. Ram. A. Eve, E-W-E, B. Hen, C. Rooster, D. Drone. And the correct option is option A. Eve, E-W-E. Choose the correct plural for the given noun. Dwarf. A. Dwarfs, B. Dwarfs, C. Dwarves, D. Both A and B. And the right answer is option C. Dwarves, D-W-A-R-V-E-S. If you like our videos, do subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.